They say whatever a man sow is what he or she will reap. When you open your mouth talk am say, I no longer need people, I no need crowd. Na me and myself alone, or na me and my partner alone. Exactly whatever you wish for is what you will get. You no get as you won't be. My beautiful and amazing people, hey, it is over for Two-Face career. No be small thing o. Who do this one to Two-Face? Who be that person wey do this one to Two-Face? Shey na karma we go call this one, abi e get another name entirely? Because omo, what is this? My beautiful and amazing people, wonders dey say e shall never end. Before I go cap una wetin sup for Benin City, I greet una according to the time when I dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist, and me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una, make una dey help us dey subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, e don shigbegbe o. Una remember say Two-Face open mouth talk am wa say at this point he no owe anybody any explanation. He no owe anybody apart from him children. Nothing concern am with anybody, of which he was saying the truth, because he no owe anybody any explanation and nobody send am either. So as e dey be, my people, according to the information wey dey reach us, they say Two-Face organize show for Benin just to promote in job in music wey they call Kuku Gogulam. Una know say Two-Face release a song wey trend for some time now, wey im don do music video put. Before na audio, now im come do music video wey dey trend small, but e no really wan trend and I no know why. And na song wey be say e make sense o if you check am well, because una know say Two-Face na another artist, a known legend wey be say e dey always dey communicate using his song. His song dey always get meaning and e dey use talk dey create im music. Now that song e really make sense. You say na Burna Boy money large pass, you say no na Two-Face e don tey, im money plenty. No, you come talk say na this one. Make you no stop to dey argue, make you go Google am. Kuku Gogulam na the meaning of the song be that. Now the song was trending, but e no really trend to as in e no really reach many audience. So as such, you know say normally artists they always look for a way to promote their jobs, going from one place to the other. Some even they do tour, like Davido, he even do 5 Alive tour of recent, going from one country to the other. They promote in music. Now Two Baba on the other end, we all know and say he hardly promote in job. Now Grace, now just a final. Anytime wey im just drop am gbam, people go stream am, people go listen to am, people go love am, people go like. Grace dey attached to Two-Face, no be cho. E no even need to promote am, na people dey promote am for am. E just dey like Wizkid of our time. Now im come, I no know who advise am say e go make sense based on say the music e no really hit the visibility that he was expecting, because una know say based on say e don tey wey im drop single, e don tey wey im drop any song. At least as im come drop this one now, normally e suppose hit the internet, e suppose hit every area. Anywhere where you enter now, you suppose dey hear the song. But to our greatest surprise, the song e no gree fly like that. And na legend o, legend of our time, legend wey no be today, wey be say e don tey wey im dey come with im beautiful and sweet songs. All of a sudden everything come dey crash. I no come know who advise am, whether na a new management or na Natasha, or because as e stands now, he no get anybody around am again. Natasha don make sure say she pursue everybody, na only 2 of them now na im come dey the kitikiti, the katakata within theirself. So I no know who actually advise am say e go make sense make him promote im job make im promote the music in a way. Na im dey say Two-Face come organize show. Guess what? After inviting all artists, because normally for shows like that, you need celebrities, you need artists wey go also come perform so that to give the show life, to make the show get head, for people to know say you are gamed and you are ready for the business. Funny enough, they say any artist wey Two-Face go call say come o, I get job. Last they go tell am say either they go say they wan travel, or they go say them too that particular day has been booked, or they have something to do on that particular day, or they have show, or they this, they that. Na so they just dey turn Two-Face. The one wey come even gree say e go come last, e no still come. At the end of the day, na only Two-Face and Natasha, God, na only the two of them na im come be the host of that show. Guess what? Natasha no still give Two-Face breathing space. Two-Face dey perform for stage. Natasha dey down with her belle o. Una know say Natasha get belle. Where im dey perform, na so Natasha leave where she sit down, come go stay close to the pulpit. Abi na wetin dem dey even dey call am sef, close to the stage. Dey dance. Whether na hype she dey hype am. E no get how you go still hype your man for where you dey, im go still see you. Must you go close to where everybody go know say yes, you be Nii Idibia? Omo, na that one now na im dey scatter the internet to say na wow, hey, Natasha, na everywhere na you go carry your locality go. Wetin dey happen? Why e be say you no wan give Two-Face breathing space? Must everybody know say na you come be the African queen now? Must everybody know? You no need force yourself. You no need to force yourself on people. They will definitely know that you are the one, because everybody don see am now. You don kukuma announce am for House of Rep say you be Nii Idibia. Everybody dey see am for internet say na you be the person now wey take over Annie. Everybody can see it. You don't need to still go dey disgrace yourself for public. Na so everybody come turn to dey look. Na so as she dey there, she no rest o. Na so she dey do her hand, dey do her leg. That the same thing wey she dey do on a normal day, wey be say her body no dey settle, na the same thing she go there go dey do. Everybody come dey look say na wow. Crowd no dey. People were not even ready to support. On a normal day, Two-Face was not even supposed to go to Benin City to go for that show. They get plenty places where im fit do that show. Na Lagos be even the best place where im dey come from. Na im be the best place where Two-Face suppose do that show, because so many celebrities dey Lagos there, and Abuja too. So many celebrities dey Abuja. At least Lagos own, for celebrities to leave Abuja to Lagos, e no go be any big deal. But you carry yourself go Benin for reasons best known to you, say na there you wan go host the show. At the end of the day now, see am, no artist, no any artist at all wey make this particular show when I dey tell una like this, e no gree trend. Because if to say artist dey, you know say them ma, they go post am for their handle. Another artist go post am for im handle. Before you know, people go dey say Two-Face concert, Two-Face show, Two-Face this. Before you know, im go dey trend for the positive reasons. But for where the one wey come dey trend now, na Nii Idibia going to a show with her husband and going to hype him instead of a hype man. Na wetin popular blogger QT come drop for us without to say talk. Nii Idibia finally followed her man to his show and was the one hyping him instead of a hype man. Now I say, hey. Wahala. The moment you decide, say, now you and you alone, say you no owe anybody any explanation. Now so it dey always be. Now, not even his family was there to support him, because they no send her go Benin. Even the brother be not talking before, say, places where we say Two-Face on a normal day, if he swear say he can never go, now there Two-Face they go now. Places where we say on a normal day, if they call Two-Face, if he even swear for you, say he no go. But now that kind place, the same place where we say get one time where we say one banner been surface, where they put banner say they won't do whether na show, whether na birthday, whether na waiting, they say they won't even do safe with Natasha, where they put Natasha and Two-Face this thing banner for Benin there. You see the outcome, say it was not as massive as expected. You still carry show again, still carry yourself go Benin City again, and you know say so many people will not want to associate themselves with you. So many people will not want to come based on the distance. So many people get wetin dem wan do, but at least as a legend wey you be, you suppose don know the game by now. Say there are some certain things you shouldn't do. Even if you want to promote your job, you get a lot of ways to promote am. But people now come dey ask say for the comment section, guys, I say if una hear comment, una go run. So many people dey ask now say toh wetin come dey happen with Two-Face? Why e be say Two-Face, instead of to move forward, e come dey move backward? Why e be say at this point e never fit still know how to go about his music career? Why im career come dey go back, and or whereas im get the gift of communicating whatever it is he want to communicate through songs? Why im song wey be say e dey make sense, all of a sudden e come turn to bitter leaf for people ear? Wetin dey happen to that grace wey Two-Face get before now? Wetin dey sup? E need to watch, e need to look deep down into his circles. E need to look wetin dey sup o, say this one e no dey ordinary again. So many people just dey drop their comment for the comment section, but all still boil down to the fact that something is definitely wrong somewhere. Make im check am well o, if na the one wey im go go beg for forgiveness, because omo, this one don pass karma. If people do not want to associate, your own fellow colleague, they no wan associate theirself with you, e no really make sense. Even though e no tell dem say na free, because after you call person, you go let am know say you dey pay now. And no matter how una be colleague, no how you go book for their flight ticket, you go do one thing lead to the other. If dem in ten tionally just want to come and grace the occasion, fine, they will come. But not like it's free. And still, even with money, all of them just dey give excuses. Say I no wan come o, I dey busy o, and this o, and that o. And before you know, na all those things na im dey beautify event. If artist no dey, nothing dey, shey na him and Natasha come be the known face? Na dem come be the artist wey go come grace the occasion? So you see, everything put together was not really making any sen ten ces. Last na Two-Face come settle down. E dey sing African Queen because he know say that African Queen, everybody go wan lis ten to am. Only him sing am from beginning, people dey answer. Only him sing am, he enter another of his song, he sing, and na him dey host show before him come enter the one wey make him gather people. Only him. It does not really make sense, you know. Now na him make people dey tell am say make him go check himself well o. If he know say him offend anybody, make him beg for forgiveness. Na me I dey talk am say make dem just go. So many people dey say na Annie, make him beg Annie for forgiveness. Me I dey talk now say una sure say Annie hold am for mind, abi na im karma just come right on time? Because at this point, Annie no send anybody. She no, and because if to say she hold am for mind, the things wey be say im dey wait make she come talk, wey go make am come counter am, wey make am say im go talk im own side of the story, e for still dey wait, and Annie for come out come talk. But Annie just move on peacefully, leaving him with God. Remember that her post wey she make say leaving people with God is the best thing ever, because if you react, they will come and judge you based on what you have reacted. So as such, you leave them with their conscience. So she don't leave everybody with im conscience. If na God dey set in karma, fine and good. But me I dey even dey see, sure say na karma be this one. Abi God make God come down or come help Two-Face, because at this point, people don hands up already. People don hands up already. Imagine children don hands up for you. Family hands up for you. Only you and Natasha come remain. Even friends, even colleague, they hands up for you. You no need where you go check am. You no need where you go put am for prayer. If let's say Two-Face true, something is wrong o, because imagine this kind of song wey make sense like this. Only you come dey for stage dey perform. Only you dey do this, dey do that. For this kind era wey we dey like this, wey be say so many people out there, they even dey wait for opportunity wey they go call them, make they come perform for show. Most especially the show of the legend. E reach your turn, everybody dey form busy. It is well o. When im check im circle, look am well, say this one, e no be am at all. I need prayer. Na that time im go realize. All my people, see una think, na my own opinion be that, though, even though e no count. Make una come, make we interact with the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendation. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.